This soap cleared my face in space of 1 week. Like acne wanted to shame me, pimples wanted to shame me, but you cannot shame the shameless. So I used this particular soap and it worked for me within the space of 7 days. But trust me, there's a way you're going to use this soap and it is going to destroy your face. It is going to make your case worse. In fact, if you use this soap for some people and there is nothing wrong with your face, you are going to start breaking out. You are going to start experiencing excess dryness, and this is because you are using it the wrong way. So in today's video, I am going to share with you the right way to use Retin-A soap, the do's and don'ts of Retin-A soap, and my personal experience with it, and exactly how I used it to get the results I got. So if you want your face to clear within 7 days, you're having pimples, you are breaking out, your acne is looking severe, okay, this video is for you. I got you. So as I was saying, I started breaking out. As you all know, look at the spots, they are still going, like it was quite serious. So I needed a soap. I know of other soaps that we are sure, but I needed something new so I can also introduce it to you all. So I went to Retinol. Like this is my first time using a retinol product. So I got it, and when I watch reviews, like a lot of the reviews I watched, people use it and destroy their skin. But I was hopeful that with the knowledge I have, I was going to do the right thing, and I did. Thank God. So the first thing you want to do when you get this particular soap and you have never used retinol before, the first thing you want to do is to train your skin. Train your skin to be accustomed to retinol, because when you use retinol both for your face and your skin, it tends to purge your skin. It tends to cause excess dryness. This is not a bad thing. This is just how it happens. Then over time, your skin will get used to it. But it is best to introduce it gradually into your skincare. So even if you are going to get any purging, it will just be maybe one or just few instead of scattering your whole face at a time. Okay, so to train your skin, how I did it is when I got this soap, I got it in the daytime. Then the first time I used it was at night. I used it at night. I used it alone. Let me actually bring out the soap for those of you that have not, seen what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. This is a close look of it. It has this gold things in it, and then it comes with this label. Yeah, it comes with this label, and it has one paper thing inside. So in case you are buying your own, you know what to expect. Has this paper thing inside of it. This is the pack. Yeah. So as I was saying, I used it the first night. I cut it in bits. I didn't like use everything. Yeah. So I used it the first night alone. Okay. I used it the first night. I washed my face and it felt so good. I won't lie to you. Like this is the first soap I have used on my face that's made my face to feel super soft. And that is the effect of retinol. Retinol actually makes your skin softer, because you know that retinol stimulates cell regrowth and all of that. So it really makes your skin feel good. So, but this particular soap, go, this one makes your face feel smooth immediately you use it. So I felt very good about it after using it the first time. And then in the morning of that is the second day. The second day, I used it with my cousin's soap. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that this cousin's baby soap is my stamp face soap. So anytime I want to take a break from using any actives on my face, maybe any lightening thing or any brightening thing or any actives like this, I always go for this cousin soap, this pink one in particular. The blue one does not work for me. If it works for you, fine, but this pink one is the one that works for me. So in the morning, how I use it was I used this one to wash my face first. Then I used this one to wash my face again. Then I used this one again to finish up the washing. Now, why I took this step is so that this one now is going to, dilute the effect of this retinol, because this particular retinol contains 0.5 milligram of retinol. And if you have not used retinol before, the percentage of retinol here is quite high for a newbie to retinol. You're supposed to start with like 0.2. Okay, but this contains 0.5. So that is why you need to be diluting it. Now, what some people tell you, how some people tell you to use it is if you use it today, you give your skin 2 days, you give your skin 3 days. For me, I feel that won't work for everybody, because It's just like teaching a child, one, two, three, or ABC. If you teach the child today, you need to teach the child tomorrow. Maybe you give a day space and teach again. Because if you teach the child today and come back in 3 days, he has forgotten everything you taught him. Do you get? So you need to find a way, a sweet spot to balance the two things. And that is what I have done with these two soaps. So the first day, remember, I said I used this alone just once. The first day at night, I used it. In the morning, I used it with this particular cousin soap together. Then at night of that particular day, I used just this one. Do you get? So this is how I introduced it little by little into my skin, and also not allowing my skin to forget what retinol feels like. So I used only this one. Then the third day in the morning, I used it together again. At night, I used only this one. Do you understand? So I made sure the first day I used solely this one the first day. So to actually show my skin, okay, there's something new coming. Do you get? Then yeah, before I now start adding this one. But I make sure the break I give is usually at night. After pairing the two, I give a break and use this one. The next day I use them. So this is how I kept using it and using it. And after a week, did I even stay up to a week? I'm not sure I stayed up to a week. So I was like looking at my face and I was seeing that okay, nothing is happening to my face. But one thing that was happening to my face was getting better. But though I was using this with other products, like a full face routine that I crafted for my face at this period that I started breaking out, which I'm going to share the routine. I just wanted to talk about this soap in particular because I feel that this soap played a huge role in the healing of my face, like the quick healing of my face. So after like a week, I was now able to use this soap alone. To use this soap alone. That was how I was able to use this soap alone. But it purged my skin. At the second week, I saw a purge, but not all over my face. It was just here. You see this big black thing here? That's it. So this is what a purge usually looks like. But if you do not like do it like this, you can have this 10 all over your face. You can start drying out your face. You can start increasing the pimples. But if you see the whole pimples are gone and all I'm just treating now is the dark spots, which I've not actually started treating. I'm still using this product because this product can also clear the dark spot, but it will take a longer time. So, okay, I'm not in a hurry. So that is how to train your face, to train your skin to get used to a particular product. Now, another thing I want to point out is there are some videos of this Retin-A you are going to watch. Some people will rub it on their face and carry it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. They did not send you that one. The manufacturers did not send you that. It is not written on this pack or anywhere for you to rub this thing on your face and carry it. That is why it is going to destroy your face because you are leaving it too much than necessary. You are just to use it to wash your face. The highest you're supposed to leave is a product on like wash your face with a soap is 1 minute. Okay, which as you're washing, the time is going. You don't need to leave it. Leaving it on your face is going to make the thing. If it was not supposed to maybe react negatively, it is going to react negatively on your skin. So do not apply this soap on your face and carry it before you enter the bathroom. Enter the bathroom and then use it on your face and rinse it out. I never leave this soap on my face. That is how I avoided this soap from damaging my face. Okay, now the next thing I want to also say is the product you are now pairing with this particular product. Remember, this is retinol product. So you do not pair this with any product that contains glycolic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide. You do not pair it with all these ingredients I just mentioned and more. If you are using this soap, use it with mild skincare product. That is why I said I'm still going to share my current skincare routine. Okay, I just wanted to give an in-depth explanation on this soap because if I join it with the face care routine, the video is going to be too long. And also, this soap is not just for people that have acne. This soap is also for people that want to start adding the ingredients on its own, retinol, into their skincare. So you can also use this soap. Maybe you are 40, you are 45, you're 35, or even early 30s, and you feel like, you want to start incorporating retinol into your skincare and you are on a budget, because I got this for 2,500 naira. I don't know, maybe it might be more expensive another place, because I actually got this in like a major market, so it will be cheaper there. So I got it for 2,500. And so if maybe you don't have the budget to get a serum that is more pricier than that, you can get this soap and just start adding it into your skincare routine. Trust me, this soap is nice. It is going to smoothen your face. Even if you have a rough face, you have fine lines, wrinkles, and all of those things, retinol is the go-to for you when it comes to anything anti-aging, anything fine lines, anything roughness of the skin. Like, the soap is actually very good. I wish this video was sponsored, but it was not. I'm just telling you my honest review on how I use this soap. So make sure not to pair it with all these products I mentioned. Make sure to use it the exact way I told you. Don't rub it on your face and leave it. Once you just lather it on your hand, rub it and rinse it out. I'm actually going to probably demonstrate that in my face care routine that is going to be coming up. I don't know when. Yes, I'm still waiting for the dark spots to clear in me. So people don't come for me and say I'm doing face routine video and I have dark spots. I don't know what you think about it. So that being said, that is the end of today's video. It's a good soap. It's a good use. It's a good buy. It's effective. It is potent for anything you want to use, and it contains quite, a high percentage of retinol that is going to deliver to your skin what it is meant to deliver. If you have not liked this video at this point, why? Click the like button and thank you for doing so. I'm going to see you on our next video.